everybody, day 3 is done because it is too freaking cold out here. Every extremity is frozen. But hey, look, we got stuff done. No more spider tunnel. Yay! Eyeballs. I'm just going to puke them all up. And we got, let's see, stuff over here taken down. Everything in this room is off of the top. Just need to, unscrew those, no problemo. And, yeah, then work on the next 2 rooms. And hopefully it'll be warmer the next time. Man, is it cold. Now, of course, it's 41, which normally wouldn't be bad when you're working hard. You could probably hear that I can't talk right because my face is frozen. But, yeah, it's got a wind chill of, I don't know, I'm guessing like 30. It's horrible. So, we're done for the day. See you soon. Oh yeah, and this is where we've been storing everything now that the bridge is completely gone from this area. So we have all the props, all the fabrics, the squishy bridge part, and the electronics. I like to put them away ever so nicely, which is why they're in a pile now, so that I can untangle them and wrap them very nicely so that they're easy to use and set up when it's time. Okay, now bye!